Welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to talk to you about price action in the trading market. Everyone is familiar with the way of analysis. Nothing more than fundamental analysis. Technical analysis. Some will combine the two. Add the fundamentals to the technicals to comprehensively analyze the market. Content in past few issues. We talked a lot about technical indicators. Learn about the technical indicators. You will know the relationship between technical indicators and price movements. It's like the relationship between a shadow and a person. When you want to pass through the shadows. When it comes to understanding what the person is doing, there is bound to be a lot of information to be lost. Therefore, many traders choose to be a direct observer. Get information about the market directly from the price. This is what we are going to talk about today. In recent years, there are more and more traders outside of fundamental and technical analysis. Gradually, they began to get in touch with price action and invest in the study of price behavior. That first question. What is price action? Price action is also known as price action in foreign countries. Many people understand how price action is traded. It's naked K. Support and resistance are put together. This is what we call a meteor hammer line. Apply the concepts and tools too. It's all different. Strategies are also varied. Today, let's put aside the market. Definition of price action. I'm from my own perspective. Let's talk about my understanding of price action. Whether it is the stock market, the futures market, the foreign exchange market, or the digital currency market. In fact, every market. The price movement of each underlying. There is a chain behind it. First of all, each market will have its own fundamental information. Then there will be money to participate in the market. All the funds are to participate in trading in the market by placing an order. Orders are placed on the exchange according to certain rules. After a complex operation, the price is formed that is constantly rising and falling. Again, we follow fixed rules. The price is plotted as a candlestick. This forms what we see as a candlestick chart. And then it's based on the price. It has been calculated by various formulas. Various technical indicators were obtained. When you understand the price movement, there is such a chain behind it. You can see that the fundamentals are at the front of the chain. The technical indicator is at the very back of the chain. We usually talk about fundamental analysis and technical analysis. As a matter of fact, it is an analytical method at both ends of the chain. We trade in the market. It's nothing more than two directions, long and short, and two actions of buying and selling. We are in the market, whether it is analysis or not. It's better to make a deal. In fact, there is one thing that everyone must do. It's about getting information, processing information, then output the result. Regardless of the result of the later output, it is long and short. Or wait and see. But there is a process of obtaining information in front of it. It's just everyone's access to information. And the information of concern is different. Some people pay attention to the development of the industry. Some people are concerned about the company's performance. Some people pay attention to the hot spots in the news. Some people pay attention to the MACD indicator. Some people pay attention to the slope of the moving average. From fundamentals to technical indicators. The whole chain. Information is generated at every turn. And then different traders. And according to their own understanding of the market. From this chain to obtain information and process information. Then make a decision on the trade. If you understand the process. So let's go back and look at the fundamental analysis technicals. Analyze. What is at the heart of distinguishing these analytical methods? It's really up to you. Where in the chain to get the information? You go to study the development of the industry. Research the company's financial data. Obtain information through the link of fundamentals as a basis for analytical decisions. Then you're doing fundamental analysis. You go and study the slope of the moving average, MACD, the energy bar. By getting information about technical indicators to serve as a basis for analytical decisions. Then you're doing a technical analysis. So what is price action analysis? If you can understand the distinction between fundamental and technical analysis, then the price action is easy to understand. My understanding of price action. It's directly through the price. Analytical methods to obtain market information. The fundamentals of an undertaking. Affects the attributes of the funds that participate in it. A subject with intrinsic value. There will be more money to invest. An underlying that exists for risk hedging. That would have more speculative money. Funds to participate in the market are through orders. The situation of the order directly affects the rise and fall of the price.